Tired of your Android dying too soon? Here are some simple tricks to keep it powered up. First, turn on battery saver mode by going to Settings, then Battery, and toggling it on. Next, lower your screen brightness. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Now let's manage background app activity. Head to Settings, Apps, and restrict background usage for apps you don't need running all the time. Make sure your software is up to date. Updates often include battery optimizations. Disable unnecessary location services and revoke permissions for apps that don't need them. Keep your phone away from extreme temperatures to protect the battery. Switch to dark theme if your device supports it, especially on OLED screens. Check out a guide to calibrate your battery for more accurate readings. Consider using battery health apps like AccuBattery. Cut down on notifications and reduce your screen timeout duration. Finally, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. Follow these steps, and your Android will thank you with longer battery life.